możemy posłuchać.
Ah,
of the skis.
yeah, you improve every slope you get down. You get an improvement which is very that you can feel very clearly, and also oblige you to find the right position and oblige you to stay forward. So I really like it because it really put you in the perfect position. So I like it.